This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. Why is my credit bureau information inaccurate, and how can I correct it? Your credit score reflects the information that is contained in your credit bureau file. It might get affected negatively if that information is wrong, so it's important to review your entire credit bureau report from time to time, or even subscribe to some monitoring services offered by banks or other providers that will alert you immediately if something significant changes in your file. Inaccurate information can be added to your credit bureau file for many reasons. Your personal information, such as name or address, might not have been captured well or might not be up to date. This can cause difficulties verifying your identity or tracking your credit activity properly. Your file can also sometimes contain information that was wrongfully assigned to you by the credit bureaus, either by pure mistake or because of some current or previous association with the actual owner of the information, such as your spouse. Lastly, if you are a victim of an identity theft, you should very closely monitor the information on your file, because the perpetrator may at any time open financial accounts in your name that will be automatically reported on your file. You can usually correct any wrong information on your file by opening a dispute online with the credit bureau company that collected the information. Depending on the case, you will be asked to provide some proof that the information was incorrect, and also reach out to the third party that reported it to ask for some correction